Plumbing problems. Oh, we've all had them. There is nothing worse than when your toilet doesn't work, right? Because we all need a toilet, right? So what do? Well, you reach out to this guy right here. This is Jay Kline. He's with Penguin Air Plumbing and Electrical. They do it all now. So, Jay, I have to laugh here because it says, okay, number one, check your angle stops.
Yes.
What the heck is an angle stop? I have no idea.
I brought one for you because a lot of people say, what is an angle stop? They don't know what it is, right?
No
so
idea.
I wanted to make sure to bring one. So this is an older one. The thing is, these are underneath every one of your sinks, bathroom sink, kitchen sink, behind the toilet. Yeah. So that's that little thing that's under there. It just kind of comes in the wall and it hooks into your lines.
I recognize this part.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, and so that's the part that most homeowners will see is that.
Okay.
The biggest thing is with these is if you ever have an issue, your faucet decides to just start spraying water, a hose underneath breaks, leaks, this is where you shut it off. Okay. The biggest problem.
So important to know. That is a really good tip right there.
Because if something starts leaking, this is a quick way to get under there and shut it off. Yeah. The biggest problem with most of these angle stops is, like this one is, you probably can't turn that, right? And so
you should check them.
You should check them, as well as, it's funny, you actually exercise them once a year is suggested. Just shutting them off and turning them back on.
That is a great idea because it becomes critical when you need it.
Yeah.
All right, let's talk about water heaters and flushing them and the importance of that. Yeah. It's something that, I think we all know that we need to do it, but it's just never top of mind. Yeah. Why is it important though?
So it's really important, especially with our hard water here in the valley, in Phoenix and in surrounding areas. Really hard water, has a lot of calcium buildup and stuff in there. Yes. So the biggest thing is well, your hot water and cold water come in and out of the top. Right. And now there is like a tube that goes down to the bottom, but all that sediment settles in the bottom of your tank. Okay. But if you see like this, the gas hot water heater, and down here, it heats from the bottom of the tank. Oh. So it settles down where all of your heating is. So a lot of times you'll get a hot water heater that is super light, new, weighs 5 times as much when you go to pull it out, and that's because it's full of sediment.
So would that prevent our water from heating up as quickly if it's full?
Most definitely.
So maybe that's another sign to look for?
Yes, and if you have, say, a 50-gallon hot water heater, you could have 15 gallons of sediment in there, so you not only have a 35-gallon hot water heater, and you wonder why you're always running out of hot water with back-to-back showers.
Really good. I'm learning so much from you already today. All right, let's talk about water purification. A lot of people want to do that, especially because we just talked about the hard water. Is that something you can help us with?
Yes, most definitely. So we do a lot of water purification because, like I say, the water in our valley is not the best. Nope. You know, has a lot of, in the summer, there's a lot of chlorine in our water as well. They have to put it in there to keep it fresh and keep stuff from growing in the water. Yeah. But you can literally use a pool test kit and it'll show chlorine in the water, just like your pool at home. Yes. So we highly suggest getting some water purification outside in the home. It'll prevent issues like sediment buildup here. It'll extend the life of these things because they won't get corroded and calcified. So it will really, even all your faucets, when they start to get that white, dingy calcium buildup, that'll stop.
That's when it's time. Okay, 30 seconds or less. Tell me why it's so important to maintain your plumbing. We maintain everything else in our home.
Yeah, and I feel like plumbing is one of them that's forgotten. Yep. And it is huge. Flushing these hot water heaters to extend the life of them. Exercising these can double the life expectancy of them. So really just the last thing you want is your house filled with water or a toilet or something that's overflowing and backing up into your house.
And then you got all kinds of problems after that, right?
And you won't have to worry about that.
All right, Jay, good information as always. All right, here's some more information for you. If you need to get your AC service repaired or replaced or your plumbing checked, call Penguin Air Plumbing and Electrical at 480-747-6801 or visit the website to learn more, penguinair.com.